Hi, everybody. It's Jessica. Today I'm briefly going to go over how to get started with Loom for screencasting. So, first, you'll need to go to Loom, Loom.com. Click on Get Loom for free in the bottom left corner. Then I prefer to pull my Google credentials, so I'll click Sign Up with Google and then select my UW Platteville Google account. I would recommend that you do the same as well. So, I already have a Loom account. I'm brought right to my library. You're going to be asked several additional questions. So hopefully I'll get these in the right order, but I think it goes like this. One, you'll be given the privacy policy and the terms of agreement. So you could read them and then click accept at the bottom. Then I believe you're asked if you're a teacher, a student, like your demographic. So you would take a teacher since you're making these videos as if you were a teacher. Two, you'll be asked to name your workspace. I didn't know what that meant at the time, so I just put my first and last name. Four, you'll be, let's see, four. You'll be asked to, if you want to invite any other collaborators. So being that you're brand new to this, you could just click not now and move on. I think those are. Last question would be, do you want to download the desktop app of Loom or do you want to use the Chrome extension? I would just install the extension. It's pretty darn easy to use. So at that point, there'll be a button. It's on the right hand side where you can install the Google Chrome Loom extension. So then it ends up showing up right here. And in fact, I'll pin it so I see it here. And so then what happens is here I am. I'm now, after you click through all that, you'll be brought to this, but your screen will be a lot more empty. You can click record a video. And then note here, I like see how the screencastify is just a square. This is a circle. I can also change the size on this if I want. Just like screencastify, I can still move this. So easy enough to do. Of course, then I always double check to make sure my microphone and camera, it's on, it's working. And then of course, one last reminder that you can decide, do you want to record just the current tab or the full desktop? If I'm recording audio, I tend to stick on the tab because the audio, at least for Screencastify, comes through better. Same thing in Google Meet. So I'm always focused on, if I need to share audio, I focus on the tab. But if I'm just scooting around the internet and demoing something, like most of the time, I leave it on full desktop so I don't have to think about what if I click on a different tab. So most of you will leave it on full desktop. And then we'll click start recording. Then I need to pick which screen. You won't have this unless you have two monitors connected. I've got a second monitor, so it does matter. I'm going to click my first screen actually. Of course, I can still also take an application window. So if I had like, I don't know, Photoshop up, I could show Photoshop or just a particular Chrome tab. I'm going to go ahead and click share. We get that countdown. And so now I'm recording with Loom. And so anything I do, it's going to be captured on the screen. And I bet there's two ways I can stop this. It's kind of an experiment today. I can stop sharing here, if you look at the bottom. But if you look in this top corner here where you can see the red dot is on my Loom extension, I'm going to be able to stop it there just like I would with Screencastify. So I can click the extension and it stops. So now what's happening is it's rendering in Loom. I can play it back, trim it. I encourage you to click on all the buttons just to see what they do. But then when it comes time to share this with me, I can just click copy, or you could click copy video link and drop that in the assignment. But if you're someone going for that one extra bonus point, you can click the three dots next to copy video link and download this. Then you could go over to your YouTube channel and upload this here, upload video. This is, of course, assuming that you have, that part set up on YouTube. But that's it. That's how you get started using Loom for screencasting. Pretty cool.